Next up, we've got a fairly short video to remind us how to multiply fractions. This is the easiest of the fraction skills. So let's just dive right into an example. Let's say that we've got 4/5 times 2/3. And I want to take a moment here to remind us that we might express that like that. We might express it like that. I will defer most frequently to the traditional multiplication symbol. And so when we multiply fractions, we don't have to worry about common denominators. All we have to worry about is moving straight across and doing some easy arithmetic. 8/15. I don't think there are any common factors, so that's as simplified as we can get. Now, the only time it's tricky is if we get, say, a mixed number. Like, let's say we get 1.5 times 3/5. So I'm going to do it two ways. First I'm going to do it the incorrect way and then the correct way, and let's see if we get different answers. So let's say we decide to just leave this number alone. And so we say, okay, 1, and then we do that. 3, 2 times 5 is 10. So that, it looks okay. But let's undo the mixed number and make it into an improper fraction and see if we get a different answer. So 1.5. Let's go 1 times 2. So remember the trick, right? 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 1.5 is 3/2. So 3/2, right? 1.5 and 3/2 are the same. 3/2 times 3/5 equals 9/10. So you can see that if we do it this way, if we don't turn the mixed number into an improper fraction, we're going to get an incorrect answer. We've got to fix that problem, put it into an improper fraction in order to get the correct number. Okay? I'm going to do one more. Once I erase here, I'm going to write, just like I always do, I'm going to write the equation up there. I want you to pause and then solve it, and then come back and we will solve it together. So let's do 2 3/4 times 1/7. So pause the video, solve that on paper, come back and we'll do it together. All right, we're back. So we're going to first start off by dealing with our mixed number. So remember, 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11, and then we keep the denominator. So 11 fourths times 1/7 equals 11/28. And I think that's as simple as it will go, 11 being a prime number and all. Did you agree? If you came up with a wildly different answer, or it seemed like I'm doing hocus pocus mumbo jumbo up here, you know what to do. Find me in Zoom and we'll work through some problems together.